song comes to my mind, there's not a friend like the lonely Jesus. No, not one. No, not one. There's not a friend like the lonely Jesus. A man stricken, beaten for our transgressions. Oh no, there's not one. No, not one. Jesus knows all about our struggles. How amazing. He will guide till the day is done. There's not a friend like the lonely Jesus. No, not one. No, not one. How close you have made him a friend to you. But make him closer. Make him closer. It never hurts to bring him closer. The king of the universe, he was stricken, he was beaten, he understands. He knows about the struggles. He himself said that your father knows. He knows what you need before you ask of him. He knows. And he's willing, he's ready to do all that you ask for. Exceedingly abundant, exceedingly above what you ask for. It never hurts to bring him closer. Every day, every single day, bring him closer, bring him closer, bring him closer. Because he also wants to draw closer. Because he also wants to draw closer. Oh yes, he's worthy. He's worthy because he needs you